guys, how are you all? Previously I made a video about a smart TV and here my viewers said they have lost TV remote controller. Comment me to bring a new remote controller so they can be used in all smart TVs. So I bring a new universal TV remote controller. It supported smart TV. I will not bother you anymore. Let's deep dive into it and let's unbox it to see its features, how it can help control your TV perfectly. So let's jump in. This universal remote controller comes with a sleek package. If I open it from the packaging and show you how it's look, you can look it's simple, clean and user friendly. If I open the back cover and show you the battery cover, you can look at it and there is 2 pencil batteries needed to run this remote controller. In front, most of the important buttons are included. In the box you will find a user manual. In the manual you will find most of the important instructions. This universal remote controller also comes from Insignia. This remote controller supports most of the smart TV. It can function as a normal remote controller which comes with a smart TV. Insignia uses a new smart technology which will increase your battery life. When you press the button on the remote, then the battery will cost its charge, otherwise it will not use its power. First and foremost downfall of this remote control is not using a voice controller. Another big mistake they are doing is not versatile support for this remote. Few old model TVs not supported by this remote controller, so be aware. Thanks for watching and stay with QSolve. Please like, share and subscribe if it's helped you. Give me your opinion on the comment section if you have any issues.